Beneath these waters, engineers prepare to build what many believed impossible. Every meter of seabed must be understood before construction can begin.
Preparing for deployment sequence, Charlie.
Acknowledged. Buoy release in T-minus 10 seconds.
Flexibility is essential for survival in a moving world.
We have alignment confirmation.
Copy that. Proceeding to target depth.
Okay, we're 10 meters above the floor, activating the floodlights. Roger that. We have a clear view.
Geological realities begin replacing assumptions.
Core samples will reveal the strength of the Earth below.
Each sample provides evidence for future engineering decisions. Hidden layers determine how the structure will stand.
Nature becomes one of the project's greatest variables. Ocean forces must be measured before they can be overcome. Years of construction now begin with confidence.
The survey is complete. The real challenge starts now. With the survey complete, the sea becomes a construction site.
Base, this is Platform 2. Confirming coordinates are locked. November 30.5, Echo.
The ocean floor itself will supply the material for construction. Millions of tons of material begin their journey across the sea. New ground rises where open water existed only days before. The reclaimed land must be protected from the sea. Stability begins below the visible surface. Raw reclaimed land slowly becomes engineered terrain. Logistics will determine the speed of everything that follows. Reliable access transforms isolated work zones into one operation. Construction at this scale demands its own infrastructure. A temporary city rises to support a permanent landmark. The foundation for offshore construction is finally in place. Next comes the most critical challenge, anchoring the project to the seabed. Now the real foundation of the ocean bridge begins to take shape. Stability above water depends entirely on strength below it. The Earth resists every centimeter of progress. Every layer tells a story about the ocean floor. Some ground must be destroyed before it can support anything. Precision ensures that structure survives deep ocean pressure. Even underwater, concrete must cure into perfection. The ocean floor is slowly becoming engineered ground.
Nothing this large can stand without being anchored to the Earth itself.
Every foundation must prove it can carry the impossible.
Even millimeters matter at this depth. The next phase rises above the sea. From the ocean floor, the bridge begins to rise. With foundations set, the ocean now receives its skeletal structure.
Each pile carries the weight of an entire future bridge span.
The ocean floor resists, but engineering does not stop. Even beneath the surface, precision is constantly verified. Strength comes not from one pillar, but from many working together.
Stability is built through connection, not isolation.
Every meter driven must be confirmed by data. True strength comes when steel meets stone. Every structure must prove its endurance before it rises. The ocean never stops trying to reclaim what is built within it.
Precision defines whether a megastructure succeeds or fails.
The ocean floor is no longer empty. It is engineered. Now, separate columns become one unified foundation.
The bridge is no longer a plan. It has a base in reality.
Now the structure is ready to become solid mass.
Concrete becomes the lifeblood of the structure.
Even under crushing pressure, structure begins to solidify.
What was once separate steel is now one unified body. Strength is not only built, it is compacted into existence. Even concrete must be carefully managed as it transforms. The structure is now alive with data. Individual supports become a single engineered landscape. Inside the concrete lies the true strength of steel. Precision ensures everything built above will stand correctly.
Strength is not instant. It is earned over time.
Every foundation must prove it can carry the future. The hidden base of the bridge is now complete. Now the bridge begins to rise above the sea.
Hold at current vector, slight adjustment starboard side.
Confirmed. Alignment steady, proceeding with the lift. All clear.
Precision at this scale is measured in millimeters.
All bolts secured, green light for the next lift. Copy that, moving the segment now.
The structure grows piece by piece into the sky.
Even the wind must be engineered against. Steel becomes one continuous body under extreme heat. Strength is built not just outside, but within.
The ocean is no longer the highest point here.
Every meter of height must prove its endurance. This is where the bridge will begin to hang in the sky.
Balance is essential when building across the ocean.
All right, team, spool is engaged. Crane, slow rotation to 50% and hold position at Tower 2.
The bridge now begins to connect across open space. Every strand must pass through absolute precision.
Balance is not optional. It is engineered in real time. The ocean is now being bridged by steel in motion.
Connection must be perfect on both sides. Even invisible forces must be controlled.
The structure begins to take shape beneath the sky.
Every cable must carry its exact share of weight. Gravity defines the final geometry of the bridge.
Every meter of steel is monitored in real time.
The bridge is now suspended in equilibrium. Now the road of the sky begins to form. The bridge begins to take the shape of a pathway. The bridge now has its first walkable surface above the sea. Step by step, the ocean is being covered.
Even a few millimeters define the safety of a megastructure.
The bridge must move with the wind, but never be controlled by it.
Beneath every road lies hidden steel strength.
The bridge begins to feel like a real roadway.
The bridge begins to guide movement through the dark.
Precision is confirmed across kilometers of structure.
Every bridge must prove how it behaves under pressure. The structure becomes ready for human use. What was once impossible is now continuous.
Everything now carries its share of the world above the sea.
The bridge is built but not yet finished.
Before a bridge opens, it must be tested beyond its limits.
Even invisible flaws can decide the fate of a megastructure. Steel remembers every force it has ever carried. Nature is recreated so it can be studied. Even the earth beneath must be accounted for. The bridge must carry more than it will ever face. Even slight movement reveals structural truth.
Strength is measured by controlled movement, not rigidity.
Harmonic balance prevents structural chaos. The bridge is now fully aware of itself. Perfection is measured at the smallest scale.
Every part proves its role in the whole.
Before opening, the builders become witnesses.
The structure is ready to serve the world. After years of work, the ocean finally accepts its bridge. Every system speaks with one final voice. A road is not complete until it is ready to be used. The bridge begins its first real test, life in motion. Every meter carries responsibility now. The bridge is pushed to the edge of its design. Nature tests what humans build.
The builders walk the bridge one last time.
What once moved is now fully stable. The bridge is ready for the world.
Before history begins, there is silence.
This is the final test of strength.
Everything built now stands proven.
And this is how one of the world's greatest ocean bridges was built, from nothing into reality.